Hello everyone, this is SDTM 792 MOM Pecha Kucha style. Pecha Kucha is a Japanese presentation technique in which there are 20 slides and per slide the presenter takes 20 seconds. I hope you enjoy this MOM. Our acting Sergeant in Arms was Ritika Agarwal. Ritika shared the golden rules, shared the objective of Toastmasters, and she brightened the room with her smile. Thank you, Ritika, for taking this role at the 11th hour. You also ensured there were no technical glitches. The presidential address was given by Amit Kumar. Amit, he is the VP Education for South Delhi Toastmaster. He encouraged everyone to come forward and rejoice Toastmasters. He also invited the guests for the meetings. The Toastmaster of the day was Gyan Singh. Gyan had a very interesting theme. He spoke about Chanakya in you. My two takeaways were, first and foremost, not to lose your self-respect, and humility is always in fashion. We then had Diksha. Diksha was the joke master. She cracked some intelligent jokes and we had great laughter. And it's always amazing to start the meeting with smiles. So thank you, Diksha, for those wonderful jokes. We had 4 speeches. The first speaker was Shailendra. Shailendra gave his icebreaker. What I really liked about his speech was he spoke about an introduction from different school of thoughts. And it was amazing to listen to his icebreaker. Shailendra's evaluator was Diksha. Diksha was playing 2 roles, the role of a joke master and evaluator. She commended Shailendra for his content and his thought process, and she suggested that this icebreaker could have been more personalized. The second speech was from Megha Gupta. Megha Gupta also gave her icebreaker. She shared her journey from Air Force to Amazon. An interesting fact, she will be attending her brother's wedding and she will go on a bike ride from Delhi to Jammu. Megha's evaluator was Aditya. Aditya complimented Megha for her confidence and told her that this kind of a confidence comes when you are pro when it comes to public speaking. The only suggestion he had for Megha was to use gesture and to stand away from her phone. The third speech was from Ojasya. Ojasya gave a speech on attending his friend's wedding. He spoke about who is the most important when it comes to wedding and what will he do when he organizes his wedding. We are definitely waiting for an invitation. Ojasya's evaluator was Shaman. Shaman complimented Ojasya for his confidence, for his non-verbal gesture, as well as his presence of mind. She suggested that he could have sprinkled more humor in his speech. The final speaker was Anjali. Anjali, she spoke about OTT platforms. She shared facts and figures about OTT and shared her personal take on what is OTT and how it has impacted. Anjali's evaluator was Arushi Kapoor. Arushi complimented Anjali for her beautiful smile, as well as she told everyone that she was also one of her previous evaluator and is very happy to see the kind of progress that has been made. She suggested Anjali to use more of intonation. The table topics was organized by Shubhashri. She had amazing topics. There were 3 options that were given to guests and members and they had to choose one and had to justify why did they choose that particular option. The grammarian for yesterday's or Saturday's meeting was Sandra Srivastava. So Sandra, she had the word of the day, that is razzmatazz, and the idiom of the day, as thick as thieves. She gave an impeccable report, and yes, the word of the day and the idiom of the day had been used in abundance. Mishika was the hour counter. She went ahead and shared the hour used by the members and guests. She also gave a quick tip as to how we can reduce our hour filler. And one tip was not to feel that you are being evaluated. Utkarsh was the timer, and we all know how important the role of timer is. He ensured that the meeting starts on time, and he also ensured that the cards were shown whenever required. He played an integral part to make this meeting a meeting of world-class quality. Listener was Gauri Dixit. Gauri, as always, was very Gauri spoke about the power of listening, and also she suggested what can we do to ensure that we become better listeners. She asked a mix of questions from listening. The general evaluator was Toastmaster Abu Shadab, that's me. He went ahead and suggested and he complimented people for the high quality meeting, and he suggested evaluators not to use but and however when they are sharing feedback. Toastmaster Arushi was declared as the unstoppable champion of July because she has been winning certificates in every role that she has taken. Congratulations, Arushi Kapoor. It's so awesome to have you around. The second unstoppable champ of July was Megha Gupta. Megha is definitely following the footsteps of Arushi. In the past 4 weeks of July, she has gone ahead and won all the awards, and that is amazing. We had a world-class meeting, and if you haven't attended the meeting, we'll be sharing the YouTube link. Thank you.